sought to undertake this task with care, with dignity, and with diligence. We have sought at all times to preserve the integrity and the stature of the G20, a premier forum of international economic cooperation. From its initial focus on broad macroeconomic issues, the G20 is now engaged on matters such as trade, sustainable development, health, education, science and technology, agriculture, energy, the environment, climate change, and many others. It has therefore broadened its scope as the challenges of the peoples of the world requires that they should be addressed.
So the UK already has a hugely significant relationship, trade relationship with South Africa. South Africa is our biggest trading partner on the African continent, and half of UK investment in Africa is here in South Africa. So our ambition, though, is to deepen and strengthen it. We want more exports, more investment going in both directions. It creates jobs and opportunity in both countries. So we do a lot of work in partnership with not only the South African government, but the private sector and the civil society organizations to address those issues around poverty and around inequality and around issues like gender-based violence, and that will remain our commitment, and we will continue to work with our companies to try and create more jobs. We know they want to create more jobs, so we need to work with the government of South Africa to address issues like we do on energy transition, on logistics and transport, and create more prosperity and opportunity. We work very hard with the South African government, especially on something like the just energy transition, helping to address the energy security crisis, but also create jobs and make sure that it is a just transition and no one gets left behind. We have also worked with South Africa, including this year, on things like replenishing the Global Fund, which is an important contribution to dealing with HIV/AIDS, TB and malaria here in South Africa. And our companies have continued to invest and continue to create jobs, and that remains their ambition.
Thank you.